I promise you that this is going to come out wrong, but I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful. But I need to know what fucking culture eats this for lunch, because this is what happened. My husband surprised me today with a boba tea. For the first time in 14 years of being with this man, has surprised me with an Uber Eats, and I am a grateful woman. I go outside, I grab the bag, I'm like, this doesn't look like boba tea. What is it? It's Antonio's lunch. Okay, so I got blessed with somebody else's lunch. Now, we spoke to Uber. Nothing could be done about it. Antonio's going to get his lunch. I'm going to get a boba tea eventually. And now we're stuck with somebody's lunch. So here's the thing. I got excited. I was like, ooh, maybe it's some Peruvian food. Maybe some Colombian food. Maybe, like arroz frito. Something delicious. I have gotten ackee, which I don't know what in God's name that is, and saltfish. And then choose your sides. My friend Antonio decided to go with add bananas, boiled, and then a substitute rice with dumpling and banana. Oh God, what a combination. And then 5 vegetable patties because one wasn't enough. So we are going to try. We'll do the trying in another video, but I just want you to see it. Ready? There it is. Those look delicious. They smell good. That smells delicious. Antonio, 5 points for you. Now, where I have a problem, Antonio. Order 6F568. What in God's fucking name is that, Antonio? Oh, God. And it's not... I just gagged on the internet. What the fuck is that? That looks like... I can't even... You know what those 3 long, sad things look like. Oh. And the smell. And the... Should we taste it? We're going to taste it. All right. This is part 2. If you have not seen part 1, go see part 1. All right. Antonio. Remember, we talked about the ackee. We're going straight in for it. That does not look pleasurable at all. Even the dog is confused. Even my dog is like, nah, bitch, I'm done with that. All right, we're going into it. This looks like eggs, which I'm assuming is ackee. And I am a cultured woman. I am half Cuban, half Norwegian. We try new things around here. We're gonna swallow it. We're gonna swallow it. We're gonna swallow it. No! We did a hot tour. Ow! That's not for me. Antonio? No, it's just not for me. Boiled bananas, that's just next on our list. It's just sad. It's just sad. Let me move the 3 fucking bananas out of the way. Let's just... Do you want to try the bat? Here you go. You want to try it? You want to go for the bland banana? Not even. Oh, he spit it out. The dog. Oh, he changed his mind. All right. Ollie likes the bananas. Now we're going in for the... It's heavy. I'm a texture girl. Lord, this doesn't sound so wrong. I get a little grossed out with the textures. I am not, Keith Lee, I am not for this. I am so sorry to the person who made this and to the person who ordered it. What the fuck is that? No, look at my last name. Andrea Eater. I like food, but what the fuck is that? No. That's 2 things. 2. The banana is because it's a banana, and mentally I know it's a banana. But this is just chewing flour, and that has to be the saltfish. Look, much respect to your cultures, but I really think Cuban food knocks it out of the park, partly because I'm Cuban. That's a no, Antonio. That's a no. Next up, we got the damn, what's next? The vegetable patties. Welcome to part 3. Part 1 and 2, you know where to go. Part 3 is Antonio's veggie patties. Now, if these patties are not good, I'm going to be upset because now I have the sad taste of whatever this was. Again, not disrespecting anybody's culture. I'm so glad that you love this. I'm happy for you. All right. Should we just go halfsies? All right, this is vegetables. We can't go wrong with vegetables. You want to be the first try? He liked it. And he didn't spit it out. There's hope. We went in for a second bite. That's good. Mmm. 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 Bam taka bam patang taka tang. Hell yeah. Antonio, I forgive you. I don't forgive you for that. But this right here, do you see how greasy it is? Oh, my intestines are screaming hallelujah. I like it. Mmm. And mind your business, all of you. You shouldn't feed the dog that. Mind your business. He's mine. You like it, right? So thank you, Antonio. That's the end of this series.
Yeah, I feel go down, Mr. Chin. A long time I tell you about your back your fist there. I say nothing can go so to rot. What can really go so? No, sir, brother. You can't do this near yard on the road. Then watch flicker past now and tap the man show. Jesus Christ. Why? Oh, the spies are going to see this man. You watch him take time stroke off. He hates to get catch. Nastiness, live up over the tongue, dirty Mr. Chin. Watch him. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man, I never know somebody that catch you. Lift your head back here, this and nibble, you into your well one front.
So this person is going viral. Why you may ask? Well, she this with ackee and saltfish. If you don't know, ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. Now, nothing is wrong if you don't like ackee and saltfish. I know a lot of Jamaicans who don't like ackee and saltfish. You see, where the problem really lies is, how am I gonna put this? You see, if you say the food is disgusting, no problem with that. If you say the food make you walk gag, no problem with that. But you see, when you say that while not being a Jamaican, that's the problem, right? Now, many Jamaicans seeing that video went to social media to voice their opinions. Hey, girl, go suck you. Suck you. Lady, don't make me jump through the phone and tap in your neck. As someone who eats unseasoned food, can't say I blame you. To all Mama nose big, she look like she can smell the world. Hey, no girl when the man have to order food can chat to it. Go and I'm body but not boiled banana. That's wild. Imagine being so brave to come on the internet and disrespect Jamaican food. You will be missed. Why they always make Satan use them? Jesus.
Life and ever make you them know so there's a better way. I'm that free way, bro. See, I love you, dog. I'm gonna kill who want why to suck on the mother, brother. Nonsense, love you, bro. Free time, brother. Tears right now, bro. Show some people that know brother. I love how the guys that stand up with me.
So you tell me I left my bumbo clad yard now. To travel whole fucking far, come look on a piece of old iron with blood clot, one candle light in it up. And this? Eh? I see one rascal rat a while ago, big like a rascal, one dog named Stranger. What me have? Kuya, one piece of old iron to rascal me left my yard. If you come watch one little pussy clock candle in it up. See there? That's it. Beer nut and bolt.
You're the love of my life, the reason for my strife, my everything, my all. I'll give you my heart, my soul. Through every twist and turn, our love will flame that will never die. You and I beneath the sky. You're the love of my life, the reason for my strife, my everything.
First two picking them out and back, one girl and one boy. The girl that fight. Much long me talk to him. And I pay crying in the back. This man me talk to me, so now I want the yard. I say, General, come take down the decking board there for me. He says, yes, daddy. That country I can't take you home. Him and his uncle. That's what happened there. Take my son life.
What kind of person was he?
No man, my builder and the kind of work in the man, him a jack of all trades. But now your vehicle come out and book down. And you drop out the engine. And say, remember, some have to go and buy a man, you get back your vehicle. Since I'm up a yard, since I'm in a yard. Anytime you broke down a same place in a yard, you drop out the engine and fix it and go on there. He's a skill man, you know, he's full of skill. And then come murder him. Well,
You know, him and anybody have any problems?
no, sir. But the man is a woman lover, you know. The man is good looking, you know. He's good looking. That's it. So they like you, man, them like him. You never woman and kill him over. That's it.
I understand that a old lady was also in the house at the time.
The mother and granny in the house there. Granny in the house, and now they can't make him granny now.